John Deere wants you to lubricate your joystick on your tractor. Why? What are you thinking about? Um, in the maintenance intervals in your owner's manual, at least in mine, there's a selection for lubricate. Excuse me, lubricate control valve and grease all points. Well, greasing all points, that's self-explanatory. You got grease zerks and ball joint places everywhere, so that's what they're talking about there. But what is a control valve and where is it at? It doesn't, there's no picture of it or whatever like that. Well, what they're talking about is the control valves on your loader joystick here. And you'll find them right under this boot. And you can just lift the boot right up. And if you can see in there, you got some ball joints in there and some other linkages. Basically, they're telling you to lubricate those. And since I only have two hands, and this is a three-handed operation, let's see if I can hold the camera here. They're just talking about getting in there and lubricating those. Then you got this piece here that locks the joystick in place. You don't want that to freeze up, even though I've never really used it for anything. Let's make sure it's working freely and just push the boot back down, and it's simple as that. So for all of you tractor owners that like to lube your joysticks, or you need to, if you've never lubed your joystick, believe me, you want to try this. Alright, see you next time.